A Chromebook that won't turn on typically suffers from one of three issues: a completely dead battery, no power reaching the device, or a software or hardware problem preventing it from booting. The most common causes include depleted batteries, faulty chargers, or internal component failures. Common causes include depleted batteries, shown here with the low battery warning. Faulty chargers, like this frayed cable, can prevent power from reaching the device. Internal component failures may require professional repair. We'll explore fixes for each of these issues. First, ensure your charger is functioning correctly. Use the original 45-watt charger whenever possible, as third-party chargers may cause charging failures. Plug the charger into a known working outlet and connect it to your Chromebook. Let it charge for at least 30 minutes. Check for any indicator lights near the charging port. No light often means a power supply issue. If still no sign of life, try a different compatible charger and outlet. If your Chromebook still won't power on after checking the charger and power source, try performing a hard reset. This can resolve temporary software glitches that prevent the device from booting. First, disconnect the charger from the Chromebook. Next, locate the power button on the side of the Chromebook. Press and hold it for 30 seconds. Finally, reconnect the charger and try turning the Chromebook on again. If a hard reset doesn't work, try booting into recovery mode. Press and hold the ESC plus refresh keys, then press the power button. This should bring up the Chrome OS recovery screen. If successful, it indicates a potential OS corruption issue. Follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Chrome OS. Note that this process will erase all local data. The Chrome Recovery utility helps reinstall Chrome OS when recovery mode detects corruption or other issues. You'll need another computer to download the utility and create recovery media on a USB drive or SD card with at least 8 gigabytes of space. First, on another computer, visit the Chrome Web Store and download the Chrome Recovery Utility extension. Install and run the utility. Select your Chromebook model and follow the prompts to create the recovery image on your USB drive or SD card. Once created, insert the USB drive or SD card into your malfunctioning Chromebook while it's in recovery mode. Follow the on-screen instructions to reinstall Chrome OS, which should resolve software-related startup issues. This process reinstalls the operating system and can fix many software-related problems, preventing your Chromebook from turning on. Battery problems are one of the most common causes of Chromebook startup failures, accounting for about 40% of hardware issues, according to recent data. If your Chromebook is older, particularly pre-2022 models, battery degradation is likely due to lithium-ion battery aging over time. These batteries naturally lose capacity after 4 to 6 years of use. Look for signs of battery swelling, which is a serious safety hazard. Swollen batteries can cause the Chromebook to overheat or fail to power on completely. While replacing the battery yourself is possible with some Chromebook models, check iFixit guides for compatibility. However, it's often best left to a professional to avoid damaging other components. To extend your Chromebook's battery lifespan by 20 to 30%, avoid overcharging. Unplug when fully charged and use preventive maintenance practices. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, the problem may be a hardware failure. Common hardware problems include motherboard issues, a faulty keyboard that blocks the boot process, or battery failures like swelling and complete depletion. According to tech experts from AnandTech and Ars Technica, 60 to 70% of Chromebook failures are hardware-related, with batteries accounting for 40% of those hardware issues. Statistics from SquareTrade and Statista confirm these patterns. Real-world examples include the Acer Chromebook 314 with USB-C port design flaws causing charging failures, Samsung Chromebook Plus models experiencing battery swelling after several years of use, and Google Pixelbook Go devices where faulty keyboards prevent booting. In cases of hardware failure, contacting a professional repair service or the manufacturer is necessary to diagnose and fix the issue. Looking ahead, future Chromebooks are trending toward more durable batteries and AI-driven diagnostics that predict failures before they occur. To prolong your Chromebook's life, avoid extreme temperatures, prevent overcharging, and keep the device clean and free from dust. Regular software updates are also crucial for optimal performance and security.